2022 has seen plenty of retro watch reissues, but there hasn't been one as prolific and iconic as the Seiko Arnie. First released to the market in 1982, the world-first hybrid divers was catapulted into popularity by the cult classic 1985 film Commando, where Arnold himself would go on to wear the original H558 5000. Fast forward to today, and in my hands is the SNJ031P1, sharing many of the same characteristics of the 80s original, but incorporating a solar movement, a modern silicone strap, and a bit of a facelift. This model uses a rugged olive green and gunmetal grey colour scheme, which helps to drive home that tough look that this model is known for. The Arnie watches fall under the tuna can design, using the large and round case. If you didn't already know, this tuna can name originated from Seiko fans, since they always have to name things, and because the case shape does somewhat resemble that of a can of tuna. The outer shell of this case is stainless steel, and the two buttons and crown are all screwed down, of course. A 200 meter water resistance comes standard, since this is a Prospex model, but it's a little more than just water resistant. The original Arnie watch was tested to extreme temperatures and survived summiting Everest and visits to the North and South Poles. So much like the beloved character that made this model popular, this watch is tough and capable. But let's take a look at this dial. The most obvious detail is this small display at the top of the dial, which displays the time in digital format. Some fairly strong LumiBright covers the sharply designed baton hour markers, and I really like the 12 o'clock marker with its triangular design. Moving on to the bezel, which is unidirectional and houses a hearty click, and a pearl at 12. The thick silicone strap uses that accordion style to give it a bit more flex when wearing this over a wetsuit, because this is a dive watch. The buckle and loop add this unique and tough feel with this drill pattern marked through it. Of course, this watch is an absolute behemoth, measuring 47.8mm across, 50.5mm lug to lug, and 14.4mm thick. You can't expect to wear this watch unnoticed. It's pretty much the antithesis of sleek, but I think it looks great on any size wrist. It's an iconic watch, stone set into pop culture, and now with updated materials and movements, you can now own one and sleep well knowing it's probably going to outlive you. So there you have it, the 2022 Seiko Prospex Arnie Re-issue. Worthy of any collection, this one won't last long in the Watch Depot warehouse. So if you'd like to pick one up, head on down to that description, click the link and add to cart. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a like and subscribe for more content similar to this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.